Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. This video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Let's start the video. So you can see this picture is very beautiful. You can see the curtain and the mirror and the window wall very beautiful, looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bed and the wooden color theme, brown color, very beautiful decoration and design, looking very beautiful, very good. This also very beautiful. You can see the yellow color wall, the mirror you can see, and the lamp and all, very beautiful. The floor you can see wooden color floor and all, very beautiful looking, very beautiful look and all, very good also. So also you can see the bed and the wall and the mirror, the window, the lights and all, beautiful lights, looking very expensive, very good, very attractive. This also you can see the chair and the wall you can see, and the tables and all you can see, beautiful. The floor you can see wooden theme floor, very beautiful. This also you can see the chair, the lamps, the silver color wall, beautiful walls and all, good decoration and design, very beautiful also. So and it's also very beautiful. You can see the black color doors, the cupboard, and you can see the kitchen, same place kitchen, beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the place you can keep here, small things, beautiful things, expensive things you can keep, any good things which you like you can keep here, beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the on the wall you can see the rose, the white, green, pink, very beautiful rose, and the mirror also it is there, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the blue color theme and all, very beautiful design and decoration. You can see everything is very beautiful, good decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the lights and the floor, the wall you can see yellow color wall and all, beautiful wall, good looking. This one also you can see the beautiful decoration, modern room. You can see the brown color pillow and all, beautiful, very good design and decoration, looking very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the decoration, beautiful. You can see the lamp and the mirror. You can see everything is very beautiful, very good. This one also very beautiful. You can see the pink color, purple color lights and all, very beautiful lights, and the decoration design is very beautiful. I like this design. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the yellow color, the mirror you can see, the table and all, and the floor very beautiful, the lamp, very beautiful looking design and decoration. This one also very good. You can see the date and the machine and all, you can see beautiful decoration. The decoration is very beautiful and idea is very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. I hope you will like this video, and the next video also you will like it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon when I post my new video so that the notification will get you fast. So I hope you will like, and so don't forget to comment me down, comment me beautiful comment, so I will give you them shout out, beautiful shout out. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care of your health and goodbye.